Unlock Chrysler GPECx ECUs via OBD with Flex Update. Easy and fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your ultimate source for everything automobile diagnostics. Before we dive deep into today's amazing topic, I have a quick reminder. If you enjoy what you're about to see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss an update. It only takes a second, but it helps the channel grow and keeps us bringing you fresh, helpful content every week. And now, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. We're here to help vehicle technicians, enthusiasts, and learners get a better grasp of automobile diagnostics and programming. All content, including the demos and discussions, follows fair use guidelines, and we don't use any copyrighted material for commercial purposes. With that out of the way, here's the deal. We're going to talk about the revolutionary Flex OBD solution for Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Fiat, and Continental GPECx ECUs. It's a game changer, and I'm super excited to share it with you. So let's get started. And remember, like and subscribe as you watch. It makes a huge difference. Smash that like button, and let's see if we can hit 1,000 likes and 100 comments in the first 24 hours. Big update. Flex now supports GPECx ECUs via OBD. Okay, here's the big news. Flex has released a brand new OBD solution for Chrysler Jeep, Dodge, Fiat, and Continental GPECx ECUs. That's right, with version 7.17.0.0 of Flex, you can now directly read and write the engine maps on Continental GPECx ECUs without even removing the unit from a vehicle. Yes, you heard that right. No more pulling out the ECU every time you need to modify engine parameters. Now, with the newest update, you can simply unlock your GPECx unit in boot mode and proceed with OBD to read and write the map area through the diagnostic port. This is a massive step forward in making ECU programming quicker and more efficient. And it's all done through OBD. For technicians and enthusiasts alike, this means a faster, more seamless experience when working on these vehicles. You won't waste time or risk damaging the unit. Just unlock, connect, and you're ready to go. Supported vehicles. Let's talk about some of the supported vehicles for this new protocol. This update works on a wide range of Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Fiat, and Continental GPECx vehicles. Here are just a few of the models you'll now be able to work on with the Flex tool. Chrysler 200 with a 2.4L engine, 180 PS. Dodge Ram ProMaster City with a 2.4L engine, 180 PS. Fiat Tipo I with a 1.0L multi-air engine, 120 PS. Fiat Toro with a 2.4L multi-air 2 engine, 185 PS. Jeep Compass with a 2.4L engine, 180 PS. Jeep Renegade with a 1.3L multi-jet engine, 150 PS. These vehicles span a variety of makes and models, and this update makes it easy for you to perform diagnostics and programming across multiple platforms. Whether you're working on a Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, or Fiat, you now have the flexibility to modify ECU settings quickly and efficiently. New protocols and software features. Flex didn't stop there. The new protocols available with this update make this tool even more versatile. For example, the FCA Continental GPEC2 protocol, featuring the MPC 5566 processor, allows you to read, write, and calculate checksums for maps. The reading time for the GPEC2 is approximately 7 minutes, and writing takes around 4 minutes. That's incredibly fast compared to traditional methods. For the GPEC2A, which features the MPC 5674F processor, reading takes about 10 minutes, and writing will take around 5 minutes. These times are optimized, meaning you'll get through your tasks faster without sacrificing quality. The same goes for the GPEC3, GPEC4, and GPEC4LM ECUs, all of which support read, write, and checksum calculation maps. You'll be able to access the external EEPROM and carry out your work with speed and accuracy. What's even better is that Flex has added new CRC types for these protocols, including FCA, Continental M3C, and Tata Delphi DCM 7.1 AP, plus new OBD support for Bosch MSE 8.0 and VAG Bosch MG 1CS008SFD2. This means you get even more functionality across various ECU platforms, making this update indispensable for technicians who want top-notch performance. Bug fixes and improvements. On top of all the new features, Flex has also fixed some bugs. For example, the writing error in Bosch MG1UA008 has been addressed, ensuring a smoother experience when working with this ECU. Plus, there's a new CRC type for both Continental M3C and Tata Delphi DCM 7.1AP, expanding the tool's capabilities even further. What this means for you. So, what does all this mean for you as a tech, enthusiast, or business owner? It means you now have the power to easily unlock and reprogram ECUs using OBD, saving time and increasing your efficiency. You'll be able to modify engine parameters, perform diagnostics, and get the job done without needing to remove the ECU every time. It's faster, safer, and much more convenient. Imagine how much easier it will be for your daily operations, whether you're tuning a vehicle or running diagnostics on a fleet of cars. With Flex's OBD solution for Continental GPECx ECUs, you'll be able to handle these tasks in record time. Let's hear from you. Before I wrap up, I want to hear from you. What do you think of this new Flex OBD solution for GPECx ECUs? Have you used it yet? Drop your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you have in the comments below. If this video has helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with fellow vehicle technicians, and of course, subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget, let's make it a challenge. 1,000 likes and 100 comments in the first 24 hours. Let's do this together. And as always, if you want to show extra support, you can consider using the Super Thanks button. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Like, comment, and subscribe to keep this channel going. I can't wait to hear what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy diagnosing, everyone!